It was November the 22nd, and my brother and I had planned on going fishing. The forecast was wind, followed by wind, followed by more wind. But my brother and I are firm believers that the wind is our friend, so we decided to go anyway. Come along with us, and let's see if that's true.
It's on this side, I'll keep it out the mud. Get her out here. To you.
You know what I did, Dwayne? I jerked that thing.
He's not big enough, so I'm really focusing on getting you in position. I got him. Look at that. Now where'd you catch him? Where'd you hook him at? You don't have to play with him, just let... Got it. What's going on? Huh? That one you lost was, I know.
Little fish, I'll hate that right in your eye.
Catches these little guys. I'm gonna slow it down a little. Can't get him in.
17.5 inches he measures. We knew before we left home that the wind was going to be blowing hard. I don't know why we forgot the anchor, but I was getting tired of trying to run the boat all the time and not getting much fishing done, so we decided to get out on the bank and find a rock and see if we could fashion us an anchor out of that rock. This is our new anchor. I think it'll work.
You don't know whether that was the log or if he's just out here.
Little fish, I'll eat that right in your eye.
Dwayne? Dwayne?
Little fish, I'll eat that right in your eye.
Hitting that thing. I had a stick. This we got a double here. You know what I did? Big. I stopped it and wiped off water or slime or something. And while I stopped it, that's when he hit it. Them darn crawdads seem to me like that they catch bigger fish. When I was floating palmy in my kayak, I caught more fish on this and a big O. Got it. There, I got it. I'm going to drop that back in real quick. It ain't holding, brother. I can't get it to cut out line. Right down in there. I guess this is just too deep in here. Catch some right down through there. That's where them two old trees used to be. I'm hoping it'll grab something here. I think it did. That moved again, I think. Shit. I didn't even go ahead and throw. I'm way left. I'm way left, just throw over me. I didn't even aim to throw. Right down there below 2 or 3 times I almost went out. I thought we'd catch some fish in here, didn't you? Them darn fish right there on that flat, you know it? Tell you one thing, that old boat, that old anchor will hold. A little bit easier to anchor out here. Leaf, I guess. No. Another leaf. I get leaf almost every cast. I don't know why. Idea how many fish we caught, do you? Well, now them 2 trees right straight ahead of you. See them them two trees to your left right there? That's where them 2 logs were. But they ought to be stumps or something there. Let's run back up there, fish around them, and come down through there just like we did. That thing was sure holding. So I caught one. That's not too deep over there where I caught that big one. That's on my big hole. No. Yeah.
Wintertime rain. Well, we're going to say goodbye to our faithful anchor. Got to take him off and throw him in the water.
You ain't gonna keep him, huh?
He's been a good one. Well, here he goes.
Okay.
Well, it's getting colder, and it's raining part of the time. So we're going to head out. We're going to go home.